Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight we're in Finland. And tonight we're having Finnish cabbage casserole. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. And then I add some oil and heat it in the Dutch oven. Then I add the hamburger, onions, and garlic and start to brown. I add the cabbage and get it all stirred together. Then I add the rest of the goodies and get it all stirred together. This is what it looks like just before the simmer. And it's going to simmer for about 15 minutes. And then I add all the toppings. Then it goes in the hot box with the lid for about an hour. Here it is after an hour. Then it goes back in the oven to brown for 15 minutes. Here it is, all nice and toasty. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.